Good morning, students. We were on if else statement, and today I have come with few more basic programs of if else. Now your program is you have to input the distance in kilometer, then find out the total amount spent over traveling as per the following conditions. So according to the kilometers, we have set the charges. So if a kilometer is between 1 and 7, charges are nil. If kilometer is above 7 and up to 20, the charges are 8 rupees per kilometer. If kilometer is 20 above and up to 50, charges is 10 rupees per kilometer. If kilometer is 50 above and up to 250, charges are 12 rupees per kilometer. If kilometer is above 250, charges are 15 rupees per kilometer. Now if a person crosses 500 kilometer, he has to pay 600 rupees extra and he gets 2% discount on the total bill. So how we will make this program? First we will take this package, import java.util package, which we take for scanner class for taking user input. Class I have taken calculate. You can take any name of the class, it's up to you. Next is your public static void main string args. Integer kilometer I have taken, and bill is equal to 0 I have initialized. Now I will take this scanner class just for taking the input of kilometer. Scanner sc is equal to new scanner system.in semicolon kilometer is equal to sc.nextInt. With this statement, with these two statements, your kilometer will get inputted. Now I will put the condition if kilometer is greater than is equal to 1 and kilometer less than is equal to 7. Now bill is equal to 0 because there is no charge between 1 and 7. So therefore I have written b is equal to 0. Now else if kilometer greater than 7 and kilometer less than is equal to 20. We are going according to the condition. Now bill is equal to kilometer minus 7 into 8. Minus 7 because above 7 it will going to calculate the charge, because above 7 only we have to calculate the charge. So that's why I have decreased 7 from the inputted value. Inputted value is your kilometer, which will take user input. Now into 8 because charges for above 7 and up to 20 is 8 rupees. So that's why I have multiplied this with 8. Now else if kilometer greater than 20 and kilometer less than is equal to 50. Now charges kilometer minus 20 because between 20 and up to 250. So we will reduce this 20 because previous 20 we will not going to calculate. We have calculate over here. So next 20 it will take 20 to 50. So we will just reduce this 20 and into 10 because charges is 10 rupees per kilometer for this condition. Into 10 plus previous charge, if previous kilometer is 8, so sorry, if now here 20 minus 7 is your 13, so 13 into 8 is your 104, and we will add this previous charge to your next value. It will be added here. Now next is kilometer greater than 50 and kilometer less than is equal to 250. Now again 50 minus 20 is 30 and 30 into 10 is 300. 300 plus 104 is 404, and for this kilometer minus 50 into 12 because for this condition charge is 12 rupees per kilometer. That's why we have multiplied this with 12. Now next bill is equal to, now kilometer greater than 250. kilometer minus 250 into 15, charges 15 rupees per kilometer, and this is 250 minus 50 is 200, 200 into 12 is your 2400, 2400 plus 404, it is your 2804. Your previous value will get added over here. Now I have put one condition, if kilometer greater than 500. What was the bill? Bill was 600. Now we will calculate the discount also, because on this value we have given 2% discount. So bill is equal to bill minus B into 2 upon 100. Now we will just print the total bill is equal to plus B and semicolon. Now output, if I have taken kilometer is 10, so how we will calculate? Bill is equal to 10 minus 7 into 8. Now your bill will be 3 into 8 is equal to 24. So what it will print? It will print total bill is equal to 24. Thank you, students.